In the past 24 hours, the price of Luna Classic has gone down by about 16.8%. The first support level for Luna Classic is at 0.00024805, which is a very important level. The 24-hour trading volume for Luna Most Certainly Classic is currently at 148,603,736. This is a very large number. In every way, Luna faces competition at 0.00029805 and a very large way. 0 to 8 July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Luna Classic cost examination for now, or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. For example, what is the typical short-term cost expectation for Luna Classic Fundamental? Luna a very good guess, or so they really thought. Luna sort of classic help in competition levels, and so on in an unpretentious way. However, before diving deep into the Luna technical analysis, we talked a lot about the current economic situation. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84, which brought the total value of the digital money market to $1,177 billion. 112561953 or so, that's what they thought, and the full-out trading volume usually stays at 20,577,638,4440, which is very important in every way. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is contrary to what most people think, and it's what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,231.42 after a 0.54% drop. Other digital currencies, like Ethereum, have seen their prices drop by 0.65% to 1860.73 over the past 24 hours. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents, showing that the overall trading volume stayed at $20,577,638,440, or so they thought. Despite what most people think right now, these events show that the market is generally going in a downward direction. All over the crypto market, there has been a very large, very bad drop. This is very important because Luna and Classic support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend could change. At the time this blog was published, BNB was trading at $236.78. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents, which shows that the overall trading volume has stayed at $20,577,638,440, which is a very large amount. Similarly, resistance is a level at which merchants tend to become more active and stop the coin's price from going up, or so they thought. Below are the support and resistance levels of Luna. Luna in every practical sense classic execution. The current Luna sort of classic price is 0.00013253, with a trading volume of 148,603,736, and the truly beyond 24 hours, which is very important right now, is somewhere around 16.8% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $866,260,826 Beautiful. Despite what most people think LON, really classic, an evaluation Luna price analysis for July 8, 2023, in a daily timeframe is shown below. It shows how Luna's classic support and resistance levels can be used to buy at key price levels where the trend could change. At the time this blog was written, BNB was trading at 200,136.78, with a change of 0.44. This is a similar price change to the one that happened when BNB was trading at 200,136.78. The MACD pointer is showing a very present moment buy and large sell pretty sign because the MACD line is going under the commonly signal line. This means, in a real sense, that the market is likely to go up. Bears especially are overwhelming on the lookout, which explicitly shows that similarly obstruction, all things considered, is a level at which vendors explicitly become moved genuinely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, or so they in a real sense thought, while Luna's Williams %R pointer truly is at 81.25 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition. And sort of transient pattern kind of inversion in every practical sense is conceivable sort of. Additional appearance how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours thereby and large was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to 1,177,112561953, and a really significant manner. Bulls can move the market and vertical course, which especially shows that similarly opposition sort of is a level at which vendors generally become moved truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin as costs from moving higher, which basically is very critical. What kind of record of relative strength, as RSI is mostly at 29, it shows that the Luna coin is really in an oversold stage. In a quiet way, the Luna Pretty Classic has clearly broken all of its truly upholds levels and things. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. "We're off to the races," he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications. But the steps don't make a difference in the clearance process, as Seifert told it. Given how things have been going lately, I have to think that Valkyrie Fund's application will be approved on Monday. Also, as I said yesterday, this is just a step in the process and does not mean that these will be accepted. Just that the process has started officially. Meanwhile, the news that Europe is getting ready to start its first spot Bitcoin ETF has made people more excited about the approval of a Bitcoin spot